Best cat reactions to annoying sounds. Try liking to see the paw.
Body's still gonna hurt me. Beefing with my chick while I'm in jail.
I got you.
You got to give me a little dance.